Hello! Today is Wednesday, August 26th of 2020. Today, our objective is to define and review story number 4, vocabulary words. Our guiding question is, what are some investigative jobs? We will do our vocational question of the day as a do now. And as always, remember camera on, mic on mute, and ready to learn. Let's begin. Vocational question of the day. Are you interested in becoming an artist? Do you like to draw? Do you like to paint? Anything that has to do with art. Would you be interested in becoming an artist? So today we are going to learn about story 4, thinking about tomorrow. We're going to review what it's going to be about and review its vocabulary words. In this story, some classmates interview people about their jobs. By the end of the story, we will be able to identify what are investigative jobs. Some jobs used a lot of our brain power. Investigative jobs ask workers to rely on their brain power for work. They like to study and solve math or science problems. They also have good skills at understanding and solving science and math problems. So investigative jobs are jobs where people rely on their brain. Now let's go over our vocabulary words. Vocabulary word number 1, analyst. It is a person who studies how things are done. Vocabulary word number 2, auditor. An auditor is someone who examines financial records. Vocabulary word number 3, investigative. Investigative is having to do with studying things closely. Investigative. Vocabulary word number 4, logistics. Things you need to do to plan an event or an activity. Logistics. Great job! Now let's do our exit ticket. Exit ticket question number 1. What does an analyst mean? Is it working with computers? How a person sees things? Or a person who studies how things are done? Great job! An analyst is a person who studies how things are done. Exit ticket question number 2. Having to do with studying things closely. Is it a chef, logistics, or investigative? Great job! Investigative. Investigative is having to do with studying things closely. Well done. This is the lesson for today. See you tomorrow.